Imagine being able to generate the sound of a roaring lion or the boom boom sound effect, just by typing a description. It sounds like science fiction, right? But it's not. It's the reality. Are you ready to dive into the future of sound effects? We have a surprise for you. We're giving away early access to this tool, so make sure you stick around till the end. Hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update from us. Introduction. ElevenLabs is revolutionizing the world of sound effects with its AI sound effect generator. This incredible tool can create synthetic voices, cloned voices, and now, a wide range of noises from a simple text prompt. How to generate sounds effect. First, click on the description link to head over to the ElevenLabs website. Click Get Started for free and sign up with your Google account. Let's try it out. Let's say we want to create the sound of a bustling city street. We simply type "bustling city street" into the text box and hit generate. We have 5 different versions of a bustling city street sound effect. Amazing, right? Let's take more examples. Thunderstorm Effect, type thunderstorm. Jungle Effect, type jungle at dawn. Roaring Effect, just type roar. Boom Effect, type boom boom. Let's see what results we have. So, are you excited to try it out? Well, we have a surprise for you. We're giving away early access to ElevenLabs sound effects. You can be one of the first to try out this amazing tool. All you need to do is go to the description link below and claim your early access. But hurry, as this is a limited time offer. Thank you for watching, and remember, the future of sound is in your hands with ElevenLabs. Stay tuned for more exciting updates, and hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell for notifications so you never miss an update from us.